So hello everyone. Today we're going to make a one-pot macaroni and cheese. I have already boiled my noodles according to package directions. I use chicken base instead of salt. I just like getting extra flavor in there. So I have my pot on the stove. It's on a medium heat. I'm going to add my butter first. That is about 1/4 of a cup. Then I have some half and half. This is probably about 3/4 of a cup. We're going to bring this up to a boil, and then we'll add the cheese in. I'm going to let this cook slow until this comes together, and we'll add the cheese. This is starting to boil or simmer. I like to put a couple dashes of hot sauce in here. It just wakes up the flavor of the cheese. And we're going to add our cheese in. This is velveeta that I cubed up in little smaller cubes only for it to melt faster. Then I have about a cup of shredded cheese. I think this is the Fiesta blend. You can add whatever cheese you'd like, more or less. And this is hot and incorporated. We're going to add our macaroni in. We're going to stir this. Let it stay on low. When it comes up to temperature, we will taste it. Check our salt level. This is macaroni and cheese. I don't buy the box macaroni and cheese. This is just as quick and it tastes better. Just a quick and easy way to make one-pot macaroni and cheese. Okay, this doesn't need anything. Remember, I boiled my macaroni with chicken base. I didn't use any salt. You can add black pepper, white pepper, regular salt, anything you like. Make it your own. But this is easy. Macaroni and cheese in the pot, and I'm done. We're going to cut the fire off. All this needs is to be eaten.